yung parking papapasukin kaya ako doon?
Saan bang room mo? Wow. You want that room? I love that. I love it. Yay. You like it here?
Yes.
May connecting tayo dito. Oh, yun yun na. Get it. Walang smoking dito, sisa. Nasaan pangalan ko?
Sorry.
It's okay. Bakit na naman? Si Daddy. Oh, smile kayo, smile. Smile. Alin dito gusto mo? Mami, dagdagan mo coffee na lang, ha? Hello.
And I eagerly anticipate returning to work.
Tapos kay Doc, and then small lang.
I already have a team rebuilding the office. It'll be better than new by the time you get back.
Thank you, Charlie. Is there any chance that you would be joining us, Charlie?
Are you gonna go swim?
Yes.
Never?
Yes.
Yay! Ayun yung punta doon kaya kapatid niya. Ali! Alan, sana mo si Ali dyan. Kaya mo siya. Titad yung sabi ng ano. Titad nga. Kaya mahal yun.
Tita, my feet is ready to go. And my feet.
Hello! Kahit naka-video ko. Hindi na.
I can't hear you.
Surprise egg. Ayan, surprise egg. Ha? Oh, let's go home na. Let's go home na. No. Ano nangyayari sa'yo? Yes, talaga naman. Sarap. Oh, kain pa, kain pa. Yummy. Pwede dyan. Good morning.
It's certainly a little complicated in its composition, I would say. Yes, sir. Try the apple because that really kind of tells you everything.
Hindi pwede yun. Ibang hotel yun.
Madam, Alex, show me your outfit. Wow. Open na yung swimming pool. Ayan, maganda, maliwanag.
Parang naman. Mas ano yung bata yung pool doon sa kanila sa hali.
Oo. Kaso tingnan mo, daming tao dun. Hindi kagaya dito. Sa Nuwa kasi wala. Ayun yung Hyatt. Dito yung Nobu.
We saw the surprise
Dito
egg.
yung Nuwa. Who's excited? Alex? Ali?
Is that the surprise egg?
Oh, show your outfit. Wow. Madam! Are you madam?
I'm video. Is that the egg?
Siyempre, susulitin nila ang swimming. Ganda nung walang araw. Perfect. Ayan, good thing meron ditong free libre na yung life jacket. Oh, 'di ba? Hindi na namin kailangang mangamba. Ito naman marunong na siyang lumangoy. Go, go, go! Uwi na tayo. Go na dali. Yan na siya, o, 'di ba? Kahit tanaw-tanaw lang. Si ate marunong namang maglangoy. Ayan. Ali! Go! Oh, careful, careful! Ali! Alex!
Tapos ka naman.
Mga 7. How's my performance? Charot! Happy ba yan?
Kailangan ulit na ulit.
Bakit?
Para deliberation.
Ayop ka. Tida ka.
Say hi! Alex!
Yan, magpunta doon. Go! Go, swim kay daddy! Swim kay daddy! Okay na.
Give me my pie.
Oh, eat na ng fries. Sige na. Go! Ate, come here! Oh, eat na kayo. Sige na. Hipak-hipak muna. After 3 hours for battery, umahon na rin ang dalawang mga madam ko. Madam, Alex, face me. Face the video. Wow. Saan tayo kakain? Jollibee naman. Silly. Pahinga muna tayo, tas maligo na, tas pahinga muna, okay? Oh, saan pupunta na naman ng mga anak mayaman na yan, Char?
Pagbalik natin.
Kami doon sa Ayala Malls. Magla-lunch. Oh, close pa yung pool. Okay? Let's go na. Oo. Let's go! Cha, eat ka. Sarap ba yan? Psst, Ali. Dad. What's that, Ali? Alex, say hi. Ali, where's Coco Crunch? Oh, eat mo na yan. Open na?
Yes.
Are you sure?
Yes, we can.
Ah, may sun. Wala pang tao ah.
Mami, wala tao.
Wala. Open na ba?
Yes, i-open.
Ah, okay.
I-open the filming.
Where are you going?
I'm filming.
Swimming pool. Mahulog kayo dyan, ha? Oh, say hi, video.
Hi, video.
Oh, wait lang. Wait na lang life jacket nyo.
Mami, coming.
Ayan. Thank you, kuya. Apo. Swimming ka na. Kami, dito lang. Tapos na sila mag-swimming. We're going, going up sa room na. Say bye po.
Bye-bye, girl.
Ali, what's that? Go home na tayo, ha? No. Let's go home na.
Okay.
We'll go back na lang, okay?
Okay.
Go home. Yay. Bye-bye, frog ka. Bye-bye, hotel. Bye-bye.
See you next.
Check out. Alex, bye-bye, hotel. Sige. Oh, go inside. Bye-bye.
See you on April
April what?
12.
Alam mo agad ah. Bye-bye ka na.
Bye-bye.
See you again soon.
With this day soon.
Okay. Si
What
Ate.
that?
Ano? You want what? Cayetano ka na naman. Daddy oh. Cayetano daw. Bye, hotel.